Learn the present simple with Mary from Juicebox English. Let's begin by testing your knowledge of present simple affirmative statements.
Hello everyone, I'm Mary and I'm here to show you how to use the present simple correctly. In this video, we will be looking at present simple affirmative statements. We will look at how to form the present simple. We will look at why we use the present simple, and we will also look at spelling exceptions. At the end of the video, there will be a short test to check your knowledge. Let's get started. The first word of a sentence is usually I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. And this is called the subject of the sentence. The next word in the sentence is called the verb. In this video, I will speak about my daily routine and Sadie's daily routine. Sadie and I have very different daily routines. Let's look at some examples. I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. Sadie eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. Notice for the subject I, the verb follows in the base form. However, for Sadie, which is the third person singular, she, he, or it, the verb follows with an S at the end. She eats. I start work at 9 o'clock. Sadie starts creche at 8 o'clock. For every other subject, we use the verb in the base form. It's only for the third person singular that we add S at the end of the verb. Look at the following list. Why do we use the present simple? We use the present simple to talk about habits and routines and things that are generally true. Let's look at some examples related to habits and routines. I work from 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Sadie plays with friends at creche every day. Sadie and I come home in the evening. Let's look at an example of something that is always true. The sun sets in the evening. There are some spelling exceptions in relation to the third person singular, he, she, and it. When the verb finishes with one of the following endings, for the third person singular, we add es. Example, Sadie watches Peppa Pig on TV every day. Sadie goes to creche every week. If the verb ends in a consonant and y, we change the y to I and add es. Example, Sadie tries to walk every day. Note that if the verb ends in a vowel and y, the y stays and doesn't change. Example, Sadie plays with friends at creche every day, and Sadie stays at creche from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the evening. To summarize, we use the present simple to talk about routines and habits. For example, I eat breakfast every day. The verb stays the same for all persons except for the third person singular, which is he, she, or it. We add s at the end of the verb in that case. For example, she eats breakfast every day. Remember the spelling exceptions as follows. Okay, now over to you. Try to answer the following questions and see how many you answer correctly.
Well done on completing the lesson on present simple affirmative statements. Now that you have learned how to use the present simple affirmative statements, you can continue with the next lesson, present simple negative statements.